Hey everyone, welcome back. It's finally here. OpenAI just released native image generation in ChatGPT. No more bouncing over to dall-e. It's built right into GPT 4.0 now, and it's disturbingly accurate. This might be the most useful update ChatGPT has ever gotten. During the demo, OpenAI said what we've all been thinking. Image generation was a fun toy, until now. But GPT 4.0 isn't just another art tool. It's multimodal from the ground up. That means it understands text and visuals together and can generate both in context. According to OpenAI's lead researcher, Gabe, this model was trained with reinforcement learning from human feedback. Real people taught it what good visuals look like, and it shows. Text is clear, layouts make sense, and no more weird hands or hallucinated symbols. So I gave it 5 tough prompts designed to trip up older models, and GPT 4.0 nailed everyone. Prompt 1. Wedding invitation card with perfect typography. Create a realistic wedding invitation card with the following text in perfect typography and formatting. Why it's good. Text rendering was glitchy in dall-e. This shows GPT 4.0's superior handling of typography and layout. Prompt 2. Binding test with 16 colored shapes. Prompt. Create a 4x4 grid on a clean white background with the following items in order. It didn't give me a proper 4x4 grid, but the shapes and colors were spot on, which is already better than most older models that thought a dolphin was a blue potato. Why it's good. Tests object-to-color binding, which many older models messed up. Prompt 3. Scientific diagram of Newton's prism experiment. Draw a neat educational infographic of Newton's prism experiment. Why it's good. Complex layout, accurate labeling, and educational format, something older models couldn't handle without melting. Prompt 4. Korean restaurant menu design. A traditional Korean restaurant menu on a parchment-style background. Include elegant ink illustrations next to each dish. Why it's good. Previously tough for AI to handle layout, price alignment, and multilingual formatting. GPT 4.0 makes it look like a real restaurant menu. Prompt 5. Dark mode UI dashboard for crypto app. Generate a clean dark mode UI dashboard for a crypto trading app. Why it's good. Shows GPT 4.0's ability to generate UI elements accurately and legibly with logical spatial structure. GPT 4.0 uses an autoregressive generation method. Like writing, it builds images from left to right, top to bottom. This is why its layouts and text are so much more reliable than diffusion-based models like dall-e. It also supports multi-turn image refinement. You can say things like, make it anime, or turn this into a meme, and it remembers previous context. This update turns ChatGPT into a true creative assistant. Diagrams, logos, educational posters, UI mocks, you name it. GPT 4.0 lets you refine images naturally in a single chat. Thanks to its autoregressive architecture, it handles context better, especially for edits like text placement or style changes. It's not just smarter, it's more usable, and it points to a future where creative iteration with AI feels seamless. Quiz time. 1. What's the main difference between diffusion-based and autoregressive image generation? 2. How many distinct objects can GPT 4.0 bind correctly in a single image? Drop your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. And before you go, check this out.
The white one.